Hello everyone, my name is Gina and I would like to officially welcome you to Seasoned Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, thank you for choosing to stop by and check us out, and welcome. If you are returning, thank you so much, your girl really does appreciate it. Either way, if you're currently not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below. Become a part of the Seasoned Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you, and there's more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now, first of all, I apologize for the noise. For some reason, it seems like it's an awful lot of traffic this evening, but there are some things we can't control, and that is one of them. So, nonetheless, our video on today, we will be unboxing our IpsyGlam Bag Plus. Now, this is the new one. For those of you who are not familiar with Ipsy, Ipsy is a monthly subscription where we receive 5 full-size items every month for the big whopping $25 per month. Okay? And this is the upgraded service. They have just launched this one this month. So let's see what's different. Now, okay, first of all, when I open up the box, right off the bat, they have gotten rid of my saying that I love so much. However, they have replaced it with discover yourself. Okay? Same cushion in it to ensure that our items arrive undamaged. And we have our description card this month, which lets us know that this month's title is Flaunt It. It says, let's start obsessing over what we love about ourselves. It's time to show off what makes you feel beautiful. Those lips, that skin, and who better than iconic beauty muse and confidence queen Betty Boop to inspire you to flaunt it unapologetically. Okay? Now, our first item, this is the microdermabrasion age-defying exfoliator. This is not the first time that we have received this. However, it is the first time we've received it in an Ipsy box. Okay, and this one is the Dr. Brandt microdermabrasion age-defying exfoliator. Now, it says it's like a trip to the derm in a jar, because it was developed by one, a mixture of lactic acid and microcrystals slough away the day to reveal brighter, tighter skin. And the manufacturer suggested retail price of this item right here, $79. Now, if you remember, I told you this box was $25 per month. This right here covers the box 3 times over. Now, normally I would just go ahead and open it up. However, this one is sealed, and I am currently using another cleanser. So once that one's gone, we'll go into this one, and I'll let you know my thoughts. The next item that we have is by Jolie, and this is called the Spectra Stick. In Stella is the shade. This is some very interesting packaging. It looks like it could actually be a lipstick. Okay, but it is not. It's a beautiful shade though. All right, and our description card says, named after the French word for pretty, Jolie creates one-of-a-kind, high-quality products that inspire confidence. This universally flattering rose quartz highlighter is infused with micro glitter that glides across cheekbones flawlessly, blending into skin for a subtle, dewy shimmer. And the manufacturer suggested retail price on this one is $26. This is what the shade actually looks like. What do you think? Okay. So, the packaging itself is definitely beautiful. Okay, and that is item number 2. Then item number 3 is by Touch and Soul. Once again, this is an item that we have received previously, however, not in an Ipsy box, but in another one. Okay, we're not going to keep talking about that one. So, and this one is the No Problem Priming Water. And it says, inspired by soul's harmony of nature and innovation. This priming water combines the anti-inflammatory power of rose water with protective Bulgarian damask rose oil to create an even shine-free finish that hydrates and primes for makeup application. The manufacturer suggested retail price on this one is $25. It's very, very lightweight. It does feel like drops of water on our hand. That is what it feels like. The packaging is beautiful as well. It does have a very nice rose water scent to it. And that is item number 3. Item number 4 is the Betty Boop Ipsy collaboration. I almost hate to touch it because it's so beautiful and I don't want to put fingerprints all over it. But this is what the packaging looks like. Just gorgeous. And it does come with a full-size mirror. And these are our shades. And here are our swatches. And I must admit, I really do love the shades that are in here. They will go well with some of the others that I already have. So this is item number 4. The last item that we have is a set of brushes, and these are by the company Farrah. And it's the Midnight Pro Trio. Perfectly balanced weight, comfort grips, and a subtle midnight blue tint to the fibers. This trio of brushes is the epitome of luxury, made by a team of beauty lovers. Farrah brushes are 100% vegan, cruelty-free, and expertly designed for flawless application. And the manufacturer's suggested retail price. The manufacturer's suggested retail price for this set is $48. I don't know if you can really see that, but these are just gorgeous. They're nice and soft. Very nice. And this is the 20FF straight. This one is the stippling brush. That one is the 40 FM, and this one is the cheeky end, okay? And this is the 218. These are so beautiful. I hope that the lighting isn't overboard and you can really see the blue tint that's in these brushes. Beautiful, nice and soft. Can't wait to use these. Okay, and these are the items that are enclosed in our October IpsyGlam Bag Plus. Now, one of the changes that has taken place this month is the Plus boxes come with a makeup bag. And the makeup bag that we received this month has the iconic Betty Boop on it. And on the other side, it's black sequins with the little red heart zipper on it. So, red on the inside. I like this. This is very, very nice. I'm very pleased for the most part with my IpsyGlam Bag Plus for this month. This one, the other thing that it allows us to do beginning next month is to choose an item that we would like to see in our boxes, and they will construct the rest of the box around the choice that we made. So far, I'm not sure exactly what it is that I like the most. I definitely do like the brushes, but we will see. And I will leave you a manufacturer suggested retail price total for the full box down below, as well as let you know that October the 23rd, which is actually today, is the day that you can go online and make your choice, okay, for November's box. So please don't forget, make sure that you go online and choose the item that you wish to have. If I knew, I would definitely let you know what they would be so you'd have a little heads up. But they did not disclose that information as of yet. Now, I do hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Share it with someone. Share Ipsy with someone. If you decide that you want to subscribe to the regular IpsyGlam Bag, which is now $12 per month, the IpsyGlam Bag Plus, which is now $25, or they also have a IpsyGlam Bag Ultimate, which is $50. Now, I haven't heard very many good things about that as of yet, but this is the first month, so let's see what's coming, okay? Now, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.